Hi, my name is Dr. Todd Rowe, and I'm here to share a few tips on the homeopathic medicine Lycopodium clavatum. Before I start, I'd like to say that nothing in this material is meant to diagnose, treat, prescribe, or cure any illness. Please consult your homeopathic practitioner for treatment options. Lycopodium clavatum is clubmoss, also called foxtail, ground pine, or running staghorn club. It was the most common plant during the Carboniferous period and is the chief ingredient of coal. Currently, around the world today, it prefers northern climates. It's a ground-hugging plant that can grow up to 4 feet long, and the name is derived from its shape, which is like a wolf's claw. Historically, the spores have been ground up into a fine yellow powder that's rich in oil and is quite flammable. It's a very slow-growing plant and has been used in baby powders, flash powders, and as a desiccant. It's thought to be the oldest surviving plant in the world today. In homeopathy, we use it for headaches, stomach upsets or gastritis, liver inflammation like hepatitis, or gallbladder inflammation like cholecystitis. Also for sore throats, pharyngitis. People who need this remedy oftentimes are more on the timid side, can have problems with cowardice or feelings of inferiority. They can be irritable and impatient and have problems with anticipatory anxiety, for example, for public speaking or for some kind of exam that may be coming up. This remedy is worse on the right side and people who need this remedy are fairly chilly and better from open air. Also, oftentimes they are worse from fasting and cannot skip meals. They're worse waking in the morning and also worse at 4 to 8 in the afternoon and feel better at other times of the day. They are worse from pressure of the clothes, particularly in the abdomen, but can be better wrapping up the head. They're better in the evening or at midnight and better from warm drinks, worse from cold foods and cold drinks, and better from motion. The main focuses of this remedy is on the liver, and as I mentioned, it's very useful for hepatitis or cholecystitis. It also is very useful for right-sided headaches that come on from overheating and are worse at 4 to 8 p.m. It's one of our main remedies for right-sided sore throats or pharyngitis, or when it starts on the right and then goes over to the left. Particularly if the sore throat is better from warm drinks and worse from cold food or cold drinks, consider this remedy. Oftentimes with Lycopodium there is a lot of distension in the abdomen and rumbling, frequent belching or eructations that are worse from eating. And another characteristic is that they often wake up at night from hunger. There can be a fair amount of heartburn and gastritis, which are typically worse from onions, with sour belching. It's a remedy you can consider for right-sided ovarian problems, like right-sided ovarian cysts, as well as right-sided sciatica. You can compare this remedy to Calcarea carbonica, sulfur, pulsatilla, or the windflower, lachesis, or the bushmaster snake, natrum muriaticum, or sodium chloride, sepia, or ink of the cuttlefish, or Chelidonium majus, which is greater celandine plant. You can order this remedy at orders@amchoh.org, or if you're interested in finding more about this remedy or other acute care remedies, you can learn about our acute care program at acutecare@amchoh.org. Thank you.